What's up, guys? Colin, a good customer of ours, just dropped off his new truck he just bought, 98 Cummins. We're back with part 2 of the 97 Cummins build. In part 1, we got the truck into the shop, took off all the accessories, and started the lift kit. Now, we got to finish off the lift, get the wheels and tires built, put onto the truck, get the doors back from the body shop, install the new mirrors, and finish this build off. Getting into removing the wiring for the lights, we realized that it's all been run through an old garden hose, and there is a shitload of wiring on this truck.
Just this piece here, this looks factory, so I don't want to touch that. I want to actually see where it's connected. But I'll get rid of the garden hose. So the previous customer had the wiring harness with the garden hose insulating it, but we're going to remove that and have the factory harness instead.
Want the emblem leaving?
Lights, fog lamps, everything.
We removed the mirrors on the truck, and because they were drilled through the doors, we actually just took the whole door off and sent that to our body shop to be filled and painted so we can install the new aftermarket mirror and not have any holes in the doors.
What are you doing, Devin?
Taking doors off, bud.
Alright. We're moving the doors so that we can fill in these holes here from the aftermarket mirrors so we can go on the original Dodge tow mirrors.
We had to remove the emblem off of the door to be able to prep and paint the door after we welded the hole shut.
Yeah.
We brought the Dodge back into the shop after getting that sticker off the bottom. It went over to detailed and got a nice wax all cleaned up inside and out. And we're just doing the finishing touches to get her all ready for the customer. The truck is finally done. Final review of this.
I would say it turned out amazing. It's unbelievable. With the budget Colin had, we might have went a little bit above and beyond, but this truck really turns heads now. With the lift, wheels, tires, all that stuff taken off, all the accessories, really cleaned the truck up and made it one of a kind. With this truck only having 130,000 K, I think we made it almost too nice that Colin doesn't even want to drive it anymore. But to me, this is an amazing truck. Second gen Cummins, nowadays, you don't see them like this. They're either rotten, they're old farm trucks, work trucks, whatever. This truck's pretty much a show truck now. I mean, you won't find another one like it on the road. It's tremendous shape.